something's always getting like stuck in my foot for some reason. Like I remember when I had glass stuck in my foot at home, and I was like, yes, Sabrina, you need to buy another pair of slippers. But Sabrina never bought another pair of slippers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sabrina, as you guys already know, and this is my channel, Sabrina Rose. And today I have a different type of video for you guys. It's going to be a haul, but not the usual beauty kind of haul. This is going to be an apartment haul. So I know you guys already know that I am going to grad school, so I will be living in a student apartment over there because I will be out of state. So I can't live at home. So I am going to show you guys some of the things that I got from my apartment, that was gifted from my apartment. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off with these hangers. I bought a set of 50 of the velour hangers from Amazon. They were like $12.99 or something like that when I bought them. This would make storing clothes in the closet over there a lot easier because they're slender and they're thin. Next, I got this copper wire basket from Walmart. And then they have smaller ones than these in like a pack of 2, but I just got the larger size. Next from Walmart, I got these 2 trash cans. Another item from Walmart I got, which I'm probably just going to show you guys most of the things that I got from Walmart right now. But another item I got is this wash basket or laundry basket. It is plastic and it's like flexible. I really like it. And I have a larger laundry basket that I'm going to be using to like put my dirty clothes in, but I thought this would be perfect for when I'm moving my wet clothes from the washer to dryer. Something that my mom actually got for me at Walmart was this knife block set. She saw it and thought it was really pretty. I was originally going to bring like just some single knives. I didn't know if I wanted to get a knife block set, and then she saw this and just saw all the different colors and she was like, this would be perfect for the apartment. This is just by the brand Farberware and it's called Colorworks. Next from Walmart, and this is actually a most recent buy, I got these 4 short glasses for the kitchen. I already have a set of glass dishes or plates that I'm bringing for the apartment, but I just decided to pick these up from Walmart. But I got this glass plate. It's square. Also in the same family of the plate, I got a small glass bowl and I got this teacup. Next, I purchased this brush. It's like a baster. And then I got this grater from Walmart as well. Purchased some flexible straws and a pack of chopsticks because sometimes I like to use chopsticks to eat with. Next, I got this paper towel holder. Got this dish tray or like this dish drainer rack. And then to go under that, I got this kind of microfiber dish drying mat. Another item I purchased from Walmart is this can opener, and it's by the same company, Farberware. Then I got a small cutlery tray to put my cutlery in the drawers. So I got some bag clips, and these are nice because they're magnetic, so you can put them on the fridge as well. Then I got some kitchen towels, and these are just some tan kitchen towels. They're 2 different types of material though. This one is microfiber and this one is like the regular terry cloth material. And then to go with that, I thought this was really cute. Walmart sells sets of these in different colors, and I just got a kitchen set with oven mitts, like I think 2 towels as well, a white one and a tan one. That's the same terry cloth material. Then I'm sure that my freezer is not gonna have an ice maker, so I bought just some really cheap ice trays. I got this bottle brush cleaner. I'm gonna use it to clean out like my reusable water bottles. And then to measure liquids, I got this small 1 cup measuring cup. And then we have this at home. It's a little measuring shot glass cup. And next, because my apartment furniture, like my apartment comes with furnishings, like I didn't want to like get messed up or anything that weren't mine, so I got a pack of coasters. These were 88 cents at Walmart. They're like clear with like corkboard in the middle, and I just thought they were really cute. And then I got a toothbrush holder. I have a body pillow that I'm going to show you guys that I got from Walmart, and for the times that I want it covered, because you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about when I show you guys. I got this kind of rose gold pink body cover, and it's like satin. And then I also got an extension cord from Walmart. I have like another extension cord and a power strip to show you guys as well that I was gifted. But I got this one because I'm gonna have like a lot of electronics, you know, my camera stuff, anything that might need to get charged or plugged into, I'm gonna need it. And then these last two things I have to show you from Walmart, except the body pillow, are for the shower. I got just a frosted shower curtain liner to go with this fabric shower curtain, which is super cute. I'll put it a little bit more close up so you guys can see. It's super cute, and it actually kind of matches my comforter that I got, so I was really excited about that. So from Walmart, I also got this body pillow, and this is what I was talking about. It's huge. It's like taking up the whole space of the camera, but it's so cute because it has those like sequins on it that if you put your hands down, it changes color. So it's like a gold, rose gold kind of thing going on here, and I thought that was super nice. I've never had a body pillow before, so, and I love playing with it. It's just like really relaxing. That's why I bought the body pillow cover, for the times that like I don't want the sequin shown. I can just put the cover over it and it'll work out perfectly. It's just the same rose gold pink shade. And then this was gifted to me by my mom. This is just a set of cutting boards that we already have in our house that weren't being used, and they are the ones that's color coded for like fish, chicken, veggies, and regular red meat to go on my bed. And this is actually from Kohl's. I got this mattress pad just to, you know, protect my bed, because you know it is going to be furnished already. I'm not bringing a bed down. And then the other item I'm super excited about that's going to go on my bed and kind of like started the whole theme of my room. It's kind of pricey, but I got it from Kohl's. It is a comforter, and it's a comforter by Lauren Conrad, and it's gorgeous. And you guys, when you see it, are going to definitely understand why the shower curtain kind of looks like it. It looks like this. If you guys can see the picture, it comes with a comforter and like 2 pillow shams. Is literally so pretty, and my bed might be the future background for my videos while I'm at grad school. Another item for the home, what all of these things are for the home. Another item, and this is actually for my bathroom, like probably the bathroom counter more than likely. It's just this stand, and I got it from Aldi. A counter organizer, and it's 2-tiered. I thought it'd be perfect so you can put your stuff on it, especially if like the counter doesn't have a lot of space. This kind of gives more room because it's 2-tiered for me to like put my face products on it, my face wash, and all that extra stuff that we women need. Also from Aldi, very boring but very necessary, I got this dustpan and broom. It's kind of long to show in frame, but I love it because I don't like bending down. I have back problems, so I don't like bending down a lot to like sweep up stuff. So I love standing dustpans. Another item that I got from Kohl's for the bed, and this is from the Big One brand, are these pillows. It's like a double set of pillows. I got this like on Black Friday, so they're really inexpensive, and these are like good pillows. They're cooling memory foam micro cushion firm pillows. These are going to be amazing because, you know, in school you need proper sleep when you can get proper sleep. So another item, and this was actually gifted to me, was from my mom. It's a set of sheets to go in my bed, and I think it will go really nice with the theme. They're white and kind of like gray embroidery from BJ's, which is like Sam's or Costco. They have those in Georgia, BJ's, and I got these from them. These are the other extension cords and surge like protectors that I told you guys about. It's like a fabric extension cord, which is really nice. And then this cord is actually really nice because you can actually plug up like your USBs to it without like the charging port piece. You can just plug the USB directly to it if you need to charge your phone or anything like that, or any devices that have to get charged that way. So I thought that was really nice because I have a speaker that's gonna have to get charged like that, and I also have my portable battery pack that gets charged like that. that. So we're literally almost finished with this haul. Another thing that I got from BJ's is this portable speaker. I thought it would be really nice to use it in the kitchen for when I'm cooking or anything, or like if I'm in there just doing anything, to just have music play, because music is life. I love music. And then from Kohl's around Black Friday time, really similar to the speaker that I got, but I got an iHome. I never had an iHome before, and I thought this would be perfect. I really like the aesthetic of it, and it's an alarm clock, and you can charge your phone in it, and you can also play music through it as well. And I thought this would be perfect for my bedroom. Also for my bedroom, because I'm the type of person that likes some kind of light in my bedroom, and I won't have a TV in my bedroom, so I won't be able to like have the TV on for light or anything like that. So for kind of like a night light kind of thing, I got this salt crystal lamp. This is around Black Friday time as well from Kohl's, and it's just a Himalayan salt crystal lamp, and it's supposed to be naturally antimicrobial. It's supposed to combat harmful ions, and it emits a soothing glow, and it's super cute. I already tested it out and I really love it, and I think this would just really bring out the aesthetic of my room when I get there. Lastly, from Kohl's, I got these slippers just to keep my feet warm, and something's always getting like stuck in my foot for some reason. Like I remember when I had glass stuck in my foot at home, and I was like, yes, Sabrina, you need to buy another pair of slippers, but Sabrina never bought another pair of slippers. Two things for the kitchen that I got from home. We had some extra Pyrex bowls around, so I'll be taking this. It's just a 6-piece Pyrex set for just storing food or anything I might cook or anything like that, because I don't really like storing food with like in pots in the fridge or anything. And then just a set of Rubbermaid plastic containers, and I also got this from home as well. We just had extra that was like bought on sale or whatever, so I'm just gonna be taking this with me. The last thing from BJ's, and it's pretty big, is a doozy, but it is going to be really helpful for cooking. We have the bigger one of this at home that we got on sale like a few months back, and I love using it, so I got this smaller one around like Black Friday sale time. The Power Pressure Cooker, and you can like use it for stews or slow cooking, or as a rice cooker. You can use that for anything, soups, anything, and it's really great if you're trying to do healthy eating, to use something like this, and it cooks your food extremely quickly. So this is like the smaller one, the 6-quart one. We have the, I think the 10-quart one or the 8-quart one, something like that at home, and so this is the smaller one, and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. Lastly, from Aldi, I got these bins. They had these fabric bins on sale. I think they were like $4.99, and so I got 2 large ones like this, because I'm gonna have, I have a shelving unit that I bought from, well, I have 2 different shelving units I bought from BJ's, but I have a bigger one, like a big tall shelving unit that I got from BJ's, so it was like $20 on sale. It's really big, and I'm going to use it to like store these kind of things, and I'm probably in like my living room or something like that. And then I also got these small bins as well, and I think they were $4.99 as well, and these come as a pack of 2. They didn't come separately like the large bins. Now the laundry bin that I showed you guys before, I told you guys that I actually have a fabric one that I'll be using to store my clothes, so I'm just going to show you guys that really quickly, because it's really big and you can't really get it in frame. But they sell these at Walmart, and it's just like a fabric laundry basket. Lastly, for this apartment haul, I wanted to show you guys the book bag that I'm going to be taking to school. I got it from TJ Maxx for $40, and it is a Steve Madden book bag. I already have like my hand sanitizer on it, and it comes with like this little clutch kind of thing at the side that I might use as a pencil pouch, I'm not sure. But it's just tan with gold hardware, and I needed a new book bag. I haven't had a new book bag in a long time, so I thought this was pretty and like classy, and I feel like grad school appropriate, so I picked it up. But I'm gonna show you guys just really quickly the planners that I got from TJ Maxx as well. Oh, and then I also got some accessories for my phone as well for the new year. I got this, and these two are from Walmart. I got a new charger cord and a new cell phone case that matches like the whole rose gold theme. And from Amazon, I got a pop socket for my phone to just help my phone grip. I have lots of problems with my hands because I do a lot of stuff with my hands, typing and obviously filming and editing and all kinds of stuff. I do a lot of stuff with my hands and it hurt a lot to hold my phone sometimes. So I got this one, and it's just marble with like a small rose gold kind of heart in the center from Walmart for like my accessories kind of thing. I got this little like iPad case, and it has the same like sequence things on them, and I just find it so calming and relaxing. So I got this to hold my iPad in, and it was like $5. So on to the planners that I got from TJ Maxx. I'll go more in depth into this because I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to plan for school and my study and everything when I get down there. But I got one planner for YouTube and one planner for home, and these were all at TJ Maxx. So this one just says hello 2018. It's super pretty, and what I love about it is that it has like in the front, it has different kind of like goal trackers, which I'll go more in depth into later. Overview of the months like this in the front. It also has like a budget tracker and stuff like that, which I thought would be great for living on my own. And it's like the same kind, but this one says 2018 is a good year to have a good year, just to carry around at school, because I don't want to carry around my big ones because it's going to have a lot of valuable information in it. So just to jot down things while I'm on the go, like to class or anywhere else. I got just this small planner from TJ Maxx as well, and it's just really nice and just looks really professional. It's like linen on the front. But I think that is it for the haul, guys. I have a few more like larger items that I won't show on camera right now. So yeah, if you really like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. It will help bring more people to my channel and will help just increase our Rosebud family. Make sure you also subscribe so you guys can become part of the Rosebud family. The subscribe button is right down below. And don't forget to hit bell notifications so you guys can be notified every time I upload a video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful 2018 so far, and good luck on all your ventures for this year. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Can you come help me, please? Thank you. You help me clean. From Amazon, I got a pocket, pop pocket. And also in the same family, I bought this glass. Mom, can you not hear me? What's the problem? You're making noise. No, you can't. The camera's gonna pick you up, and right now you're in focus of my camera. You gotta move. They can see you. I am Sandra. Mom.